In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the complete process of trading on the CMC Markets platform. It's simple once you know where everything is, so let's get started. When you're inside the platform, go to the top left corner and click the plus icon. From there, choose Products, then open the library. This is where you can access every asset class available for trading. You'll find categories like indices, commodities, shares, cryptocurrencies, and more. For this tutorial, let's use currencies as an example. Click on the currencies section and you'll see a list of tradable pairs. Select any pair you want to trade. Once you click on it, you'll see buy and sell buttons on the right side of the screen. Clicking either button will open the order window. This is where you place your trade. Inside the window, you can choose whether you want to buy or sell, adjust your position size, select your order type, and set your stop loss and take profit levels. These tools help you manage risk and control how your trade behaves automatically. Once everything is set the way you want, go ahead and place the order. You can also trade directly from the chart. On the chart, click the trading button at the top and the same order window will appear. This is useful when you want to analyze price movement and place trades quickly without switching screens. And that's it. You now know how to trade using the CMC Markets platform, choosing products, opening the order window, customizing your trade settings, and executing your order. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step trading guides and platform walkthroughs.